screw these in here, get it tight, and then when you're putting your cable in, your cable end goes in through one hole, and then these little dowel things, it comes with an Allen wrench you put in there, and that's like your tightener and your tensioner.
And you tighten it up like that?
Yep, so you start with that, and then you just, if you're going like a 6-inch, this is pretty much what you do, and then there's like a little silver span that keeps these from collapsing on each other. That goes straight down, and if you forget to put them in when you get it all done, you got to take it all fucking apart. And then once you get it over here, you want to get it kind of tight, and then you put your set screw in there, and then you'll tighten it, and it'll pull it with it. Yep. So it's a little bit.
It's more time consuming.
I would say maybe like
especially after you gotta roll these cords out because it's like a big ass bundle.
Yep. And then you gotta use little bolt cutters
and then
to cut
them, crimp them, put up little shits in there.